Hi, I'm Maggie. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered what Chinese people eat at home? Before we dive into the topic, let me ask you a question. Which of the following popular Chinese takeaway dishes do you think Chinese people would cook and eat at home? Sweet and sour chicken with chow mein, Chinese curry with chips, Chinese platter, which includes sesame prawn toast, spring roll, crispy seaweed, and prawn crackers. You can choose more than one option. Let me give you 5 seconds. The answer is none of them. Undoubtedly, the above dishes are all delicious, but Chinese people simply don't eat them this way. So today, let me review what Chinese families actually eat at their home. First of all, savory dishes go with boiled rice but not chow mein, fried rice or chips. For instance, we eat sweet and sour pork and curry chicken with boiled rice. Well, you probably want to ask why on earth Chinese people want to eat boiled rice, given that the taste of it is so plain? Well, here is what I think. Boiled rice has been a staple food for Chinese people for thousands of years. The dishes are designed to be flavorful enough that when you eat them with boiled rice together, the combined taste will form a perfect balance. It just tastes so good. Therefore, for me and for many other Chinese, we usually eat savory dishes with boiled rice. Besides, the way of having meals is different in China. Everyone in the family will have a bowl of boiled rice and a pair of chopsticks in front of them. All dishes are placed in the center of the dining table and to be shared by everyone. We then get the food we want using our chopstick throughout the meal. This is how Chinese households have their meals. On the other hand, we seldom make deep-fried dishes like sweet and sour or salt and pepper dishes at home. We usually enjoy these dishes in restaurants. Dishes that are cooked in a more healthy style, such as steaming or stir-frying, are the mainstream of homemade dishes. There are so many varieties of them. To name a few, for steaming, we have steamed fish with soy sauce, steamed pork patty, and savory steamed eggs. While popular homemade stir-fry dishes include eggs fried with tomatoes and stir-fried beef with vegetables. We usually enjoy these dishes with boiled rice. I guess you may wonder whether Chinese people eat chow mein or fried rice at all. The answer is yes. We do eat chow mein and fried rice, but we usually eat them on their own, rather than eating them with other dishes. It is because chow mein and fried rice are flavorful enough to be eaten on their own. Rather than having egg fried rice or plain chow mein offered by Chinese takeaways, we usually add more ingredients such as meat, seafood, and vegetables to make the chow mein and fried rice. For example, one of the most famous fried rice dishes in China is Yangzhou fried rice. The ingredients include Cantonese roast pork, prawn, eggs, and shredded lettuce. Well, I hope you have a better idea on what Chinese actually eat at home now. In return, I'm also highly interested in where you are from and what dishes you actually eat at home. Please comment and let me know. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will be a huge support to me. If you would like to know more about Asian culture or Asian cooking, remember to subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye!